This is how it looks outside now. We're trying to get a little more sun as we wrap up our day. There's still a good amount of cloud cover though. More of a blend of sun and clouds, we'll call it, from our KXAN West Shore home camera looking from West Campus toward downtown right now. It's warm and it's muggy, and in some places it's kind of muddy because of the rainfall here today. Here's how much we've had since midnight. Mason County with the jackpot, more than 2 inches of rain fell there. Most of the hill country though was between about a ½ inch to a little more than an inch. Into the metro we go, a lot of ½ inch to 1.5 inches reports there. About 1.5 inches at the airport. The Austin Camp Mabry sensor, the rain bucket, broke. So they're working on repairing that and getting an accurate representation of how much rain fell in that bucket. So we'll get that number to you when we get it. Pflugerville, almost 1 inch. Cedar Park, about 1.3 inches, a little under 1 inch in Florence. And then remember we talked yesterday about southern and eastern areas likely ending up with the least amount of rain. Thankfully, we were able to fill in the rain in Hayes County, but some of our southeastern counties like Fayette, portions of southern Bastrop and Caldwell counties ended up with those lower totals, about 1/3 of an inch or less. And then those amounts jumped up the farther north you were. The rain from this morning exiting to the east of us. This is the last of the storms now north of Houston. Just a few spotty sprinkles or very light showers in spots now. Otherwise, we're drying out with a partly cloudy sky. Now we can look ahead to our next storm. You can see that swirl there entering Montana. This is an area of low pressure that is going to drag a cold front through central Texas here this weekend, Saturday more specifically, and that'll be our next widespread rain chance. So you see a few sprinkles into the evening, otherwise a partly cloudy sky giving way to a mostly cloudy sky by daybreak, and a couple more sprinkles or a spotty morning shower, a possibility here tomorrow. Slowly, we'll try and get a little bit of sun in the afternoon. I think we end up with more clouds than sun tomorrow, and still a lingering stray shower not out of the question. Things start getting gradually wetter though as we get into Saturday. Just a few showers at daybreak, but then rain and storm coverage starts to jump as our cold front comes in. The timing has sped up a little bit for some of the heavier rain, now arriving late morning in the hill country, and then that line of downpours and storms moving through the metro around midday through the early afternoon, and then heading through our southeastern counties by late afternoon. Now, after the cold front moves through and the heavy rain and storms move through, there'll be a period of drying after that. So it's not going to rain all day, but there'll be some periods of wet weather around, and some spotty showers may linger into Easter Sunday. So a 10% rain chance tonight, overnight lows of 70, increasing clouds, 10% rain chance tomorrow, high of 87. Here's your weekend, 80% rain and storm coverage Saturday with the wettest weather either side of midday. And then on Sunday, a few lingering showers, a mostly cloudy, cooler day. Looks like another 1/4 inch to 1 inch of rain Saturday. There'll be some localized 1 to 2 inch totals though, which is why we've got a 1 out of 4 flood threat for Saturday. Here's a look at our first warning weather 7-day forecast. By early next week, we're trying to dry out. Rain chances at 10% Monday, looking dry Tuesday and 10% Wednesday, leading up to our next higher rain chances toward the end of next week.